Hello everyone, greetings from Eyespecs.com. Today, we'll be taking a look at these Mont Blanc eyeglasses, model MB0162O in color code 003. The color of the frame is Havana. On the glasses are protective bags to make sure that they don't get scratched or damaged. These glasses are also a round shape. The temples are gold and the temple tips are black. Same on both sides. You'll also find the Mont Blanc logo engraved on its bottom left lens. On its inner right temple, you'll again find the Mont Blanc logo and that it's made in Japan. On its inner left temple is the model number, color code, and dimensions of the frame. 48 is for its lens, 22 is for its bridge, and 145 is for its temples. The glasses also come with the Mont Blanc case, a Mont Blanc envelope, which holds a Mont Blanc authenticity card, a manufacturer booklet, this manufacturer is Caring, and a black Mont Blanc cleaning cloth. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested to check out these glasses or any of the glasses, head over to the link in the description and check out eyespecs.com and have a joyful day.